today I will explain about the basic energy system, which is how our body produces energy for movement and exercise. Our body needs energy for every movement, especially muscle contraction. The energy that we use comes from the food we eat, and this food will be converted into molecule called ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the main sources of energy for our muscle. And here we have three main fuel sources. The first one is carbohydrate in the form of glucose and glycogen. This is the main fuel during exercise. And the second one, fat. Fat is used more during rest or low intensity activity. And the third one is protein. This is not a primary energy sources and it is mainly for tissue repair. What is ATP? ATP is made for adenine, ribose and triphosphate group. When the bond of the last phosphate is broken, energy is released for the muscle to use. The enzyme ATPase help break this bond. Because ATP is used very quickly, the body must constantly synthesize it. Our body uses three different energy systems depending on the duration and intensity of the activity. The first one is ATP-PCR system, or we call anaerobic electric. This is the fastest energy system and does not use oxygen. It uses store ATP and phosphocreatine to produce instant energy. Duration 10 seconds. Intensity very high. Fuel ATP and PCR. Example activities 100 meter sprint, jumping, throwing and weightlifting. This system is used for explosive powerful movement. And the second one is glycolytic system or anaerobic lactic. This system breaks down glucose or glycogen without oxygen. It produces more ATP than the ATP-PC system, but it also produces lactic acid as a byproduct. Duration 13 seconds, intensity high, and example badminton relays and 10 seconds. Lactic acid and hydrogen ion cause the muscle to become acidic, which lead to fatigue. The last one is oxidative system or aerobic system. This system requires oxygen and produces the most ATP. It is used for longer duration and lower intensity activity. Duration more than 3 minutes, intensity low to moderate, and example activity is jogging, cycling, swimming, long distance. This system includes aerobic glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. During high-intensity exercise, oxygen is not enough. Because of this, pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. Hydrogen ion make the muscle acidic and this reduces muscle contraction and causes fatigue. However, lactate and can be transported to either muscle or to deliver and reuse as energy through the Cori cycle. After intense exercise, the body needs time to recover. The ATP-PC system takes 2 until 6 minutes to fully replenish. We also experience EPOC, which stands for excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This extra oxygen is used to replace oxygen store, remove lactic acid, and rebuild ATP. Different activity use different energy system like 50 meters swimming, mostly anaerobic glycolytic, football, combination of ATP-PC, glycolytic and aerobic, manual long distance running, mainly aerobic. So in conclusion, our body uses three energy systems, ATP-PC, glycolytic, and aerobic. Each system works depending on the intensity and duration of the activity. All of these systems help produce ATP, which allow our muscle to move and perform during exercise. So that's all from me. Thank you.